Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the lower ball joint on Citroen Jumper. This is the ball joint that I'm talking about. The ball joint is held by 3 bolts, but in order to remove those bolts, first we need to remove this nut holding the control arm and also this nut holding the twist rod. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the 2 nuts are removed, next I'm going to separate the control arm from the ball joint. I'm going to use this pry tool to pry it out for control arm pry tool, and also I'm going to hit it a little bit and it will come out eventually. As the control arm separated from the ball joint, now I'm going to remove the nut completely and remove the control arm from the ball joint. Now I'm going to remove the whole wheel hub a little bit to the side and then let go of the control arm, and now I'm going to remove those 3 bolts holding the ball joint. Here you can see I'm using a pry bar just to move the whole wheel hub to the side so that I'll be able to have access to the 3 bolts. That's the 3 bolts removed. Now I'm going to take out the ball joint. That's the ball joint out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the new ball joint and this is the part number for it. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. Now I'm going to put the ball joint on and put on the 3 bolts and tighten them. Now I'm going to pull the control arm down with this tool to be able to put the ball joint into its place, and also we need to put the twist rod in its place as well. Now to be able to put the twist rod in its place, I'm going to use a pry bar and just push it in a little bit and then put the nut on. I'm not able to put the rubber bushing underneath on the twist rod, so first I'm going to put just the nut and try and pull down the twist rod with the nut, and then afterwards we're going to put on the rubber bushing. I'm also going to put the nut on the ball joint and tighten it as well. Now I'm going to get a pry bar and push down the twist rod all the way, and then remove the nut and put the rubber bushing back on, and then tighten the nut again. And that's the ball joint replaced and everything put back on. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.